Good morning, Arhan.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine. Arhan, you came to school now once.
No, ma'am.
Till now, you've not come. Not even once. Okay.
No, ma'am. I think I will come from Monday.
You'll come from Monday.
I'm sweating.
Huh?
I'm sweating badly.
You are what badly?
Ma'am, I'm sweating badly.
Sweating.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you sweating? What have you done?
I've done cycling for 2 hours in morning.
Oh my God. Early morning, you did cycling. Amazing. Very nice. Okay. So, Arhan, are there other students also in online class from class 4th?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's wait.
4, 5.
4, 5 students are there. All right. So let's wait for them for a minute or two. Okay. Then we'll begin.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, if you count all the section, there will be 9-10 students.
Okay, beta. 3 are already here. Let's hope for.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Let's hope for
Ma'am,
2,
from
3
every
more.
section there is one student. I am from C.
Yes.
Alankrita is from A and Anmol is from B.
Yes. One each.
Ma'am. Ma'am, we start the class.
Yes, beta. Now we are starting the class. I just thought of waiting for 2 minutes. Now it's 8:02. So let's begin. How are you all, children?
Ma'am, I am fine.
Good. Very good. Pratyaksh, are you not planning to come to school?
Yes, ma'am, I will come.
You will come. From when?
Ma'am, after 1 or 2 days.
All right, very good. Okay, so what are you doing in social studies these days?
Ma'am, we started a new chapter, chapter 12. Ma'am, we are going to end chapter 11. We are doing difficult word. We done reading. We are fine, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, we will do difficult words of Northern Mountain.
Okay.
And ma'am, we are done reading.
You have done reading and you're going to do difficult words of Northern Mountains.
Ma'am, in offline, till where we have done in offline?
Till where we are doing in offline in school, I made children do difficult words of major rivers of India. A little slow.
Okay, ma'am.
In school, it's going a little slow. Because there is so many children are there and there is so much talking in class. Children have so much to share.
Yes.
So much. Yes. Okay. Now do one thing. One of you please quickly just send me the PDF of this chapter.
Ma'am, I want to ask you one question.
Yes, Arhan.
Ma'am, is there OP Kohli sir in the school who teaches cricket? Who is the
Yes,
coach of
beta,
cricket?
he was there. Initially, I saw him, but these days, I don't think I've seen him.
Yes, ma'am, because any other teacher is being the coach. I was just asking because he was my favorite coach
Oh, he was your
of
favorite
cricket.
coach. Okay, you play cricket. Yes, you're a cricketer, Arhan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
I
morning.
learned cricket in Kangashi Academy.
I am good, Vamika. How are you?
Ma'am, I am also fine.
Okay, now do one thing, please. Who is sending the PDF of this chapter to me?
Ma'am, of which chapter?
Of chapter 12. The
Ma'am,
Northern.
can I send?
Yes, beta. Please send it on my number, on my personal number, because my books are in school. I don't have anything with me right now. Alankrita, we are supposed to do difficult words of this chapter, or we have done difficult words?
Ma'am, today we will do the difficult word. Ma'am, today we will do difficult word of this chapter.
Okay, okay, beta.
Of chapter number.
Chapter 12. Now quickly just send me. And by the time she's sending me this chapter, all of you write down today's date, write down chapter heading, chapter name, chapter number, and the heading difficult words. Be ready with this much.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I send photos?
Ha, beta. You can send photos. And children, can you please open your cameras, all of you? Anmol, Bhavya, Ashray, everyone, open your cameras.
Ma'am, I am opening in 1 minute.
Good morning, beta. Written, chapter name, today's date, and the heading difficult words. Everyone has written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now put down numbers till 10, 1 to 10.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Okay, thank you, beta.
Welcome, ma'am.
Now, Vamika, beta, please write down. Take out your copy, write down the date, chapter name, and the heading difficult words. The first word is especially. The first word is, I will write it. You want me to write in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the first word comes especially. Beta, your voice is cracking. I can't understand. Second word is Karakoram. Next word, comparatively. Comparatively. Written then fourth word is altitude. Altitude. Done this much? Can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The sixth word is sparse.
Ma'am, this is fifth word.
Sorry, fifth word is abode. Fifth word is abode. Beta, it is in the chat box. And sixth word is sparse. Then the seventh word is embroidered. Eighth word, shawls. Embroidered shawls. Ninth word, samovers. Anyone wants me to repeat all the words?
Yes, ma'am. Please repeat the word.
Okay. Specially, Karakoram, comparatively, altitude, abode, excuse me, sparse, excuse me, sparse, then embroidered, shawls, samovers, and the last word is Mahashivratri. Very good, Pratyaksh. Very nice work.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very neat. But beta, these are not over. There are still many words. Then after this, the next word comes is traditional. Traditional. The next word, Buddhists. Buddhists. Yes.
Ma'am, please send the first word again. What was it?
The first word is especially.
Okay, ma'am.
The 13th word goes Ladki. Ladki.
How many are there?
Beta, there are many. I don't know. I'm just making you write them. The 14th word is monasteries. Monasteries.
Ma'am, what is monasteries?
Beta, monasteries are these religious places where these monks live.
Ma'am, can you please send 1 and 2 again?
The first word was especially, and the second was Karakoram.
Ma'am, can you please send in chat box?
Okay, I'll send it. The first one was especially, and the second one was Karakoram. Okay. Then the 15th one was, after monasteries, we have experience. Experience. Then 16th word is coniferous. Seventeenth word is terraced. Terraced. Then 18th word is rhododendron. Rhododendron. Everyone has written till here?
Ma'am, I am on the 18th. Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have also done.
Everyone has done, or anyone is still left? Nineteenth word is attractions. The ninth word, Pratyaksh, it was samovers. Have you done the explanation of this chapter with ma'am?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am, yes.
Yes, ma'am, we have done it.
You have done? Oh,
Yeah.
all right. Okay, children, and the last word is after attractions, it was tourism. Tourism.
Ma'am, I have done.
Done?
Ma'am,
Okay.
now I'm decorating it.
Yes.
I have also done.
Now I'm giving you 5 minutes to do the highlighting, underlining, and everything. You know, children in school are keeping their copies so nicely decorated, so well presented work they have. Their social studies copies are very beautiful. Are you also maintaining the same thing at home?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
When you come to school, I want to see all your copies. Yes, very nicely done. Very good, Bhavika.
Ma'am, I can't come to school.
Okay, but those who are planning to come to school, whenever you come, I want your copies to be very nicely done. But Samarth, why can't you come to school?
Ma'am, because my mother and father transferred to Meerut, so I am doing this online classes from Meerut.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, in this chapter, can we not do the key point?
Beta, we will do key points. I always make children do the key points of all the chapters. Every chapter we do, we have to do the key points first. Yes?
Ma'am, can you please send the sixth one again?
Sixth
Ma'am, can you
word.
please send the sixth one?
Sixth one, wait. The sixth word was, what was the sixth word, children?
Please open your eyes, Bhavika. What is the matter?
Ma'am, sparse.
Sparse.
Ma'am, I have
S-P-A-R-S-E. It is sparse. Okay, since not much time is left, what is the time? It's 8:25. Okay, so let's do the exercises first, then we'll do the key points later.
Ma'am, we have done exercise number A and B. We have to start from true false.
You have to start from true false. Okay. Okay, children, in this thing, what have you written? Fill in the blanks, exercise B. The first one, the people of Kashmir wear a traditional dress called, what is that dress? Kiran. No, beta, not loose kurta. You have written
Firan.
loose kurta. But what is it called? It is called Firan. Phiran.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, make this correction. Done? Done with the highlighting and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me share screen with you. Okay, everybody put down the heading key points. The first key point is Jammu and Kashmir is one of the northernmost union territory. Jammu and Kashmir is one of the northernmost union territories of India. Jammu is the winter capital and Srinagar is the summer capital. written?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
can we write only 5?
5 key
Ma'am,
points today.
No, ma'am, only 5.
Only 5 key points
Yes,
from
ma'am.
the whole chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Why so?
in the fourth, you have written DRUNK, but it is drink.
No, beta. Kahwa is the local tea drunk by Kashmiris. I should put comma. That is the mistake I have done. Kahwa is the local tea drunk by Kashmiris. Drunk means it is consumed by Kashmiris, which is made in the tea urns called samovars. People of Kashmir, what do they drink? The local tea called kahwa. We know it by the name of kawa, isn't it? Kahwa, we call it kawa.
Ma'am, can you show?
What, Bhave?
Ma'am, can you show it?
I can't hear you, beta. What are you saying? Can you do what?
Ma'am, which tea you are seeing?
Can anybody tell me what he's saying?
No, ma'am, he is not audible much.
Kava, ma'am, the tea kava. Can you show us?
Can I show you? You want to see that kava? I have a drink from Kashmir, which is a very famous drink. I have it at home. I'll show you on camera. Wait, let me get. Okay. See, here it is. Can you see what is written here?
Bhabhi.
No, no. It's not, it's Shahi. It's Shahi Kahwa. But the spelling is different. It is from Q. Qawah. It's Shahi Kahwa. And see what the drink is. It is yellow in color and what it is written. Wait, I'm going to show you. Product of Kashmir. Can you see? It's written product of Kashmir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and one more thing I wanted to show what it is made of. This is full of saffron. You know what saffron is? See, it's written here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Saffron. What is saffron? Saffron is kesar.
Yes.
है ना? You know what is kesar?
Yes, ma'am.
It is completely like, it is a yellow
Yes,
powder
ma'am.
which has to be mixed in water to drink.
Ma'am, can you show?
Can I show you what you want me to show you some screen of Kava?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, beta, wait, let me see pictures if I find. But till then, please write these 5 points. We are just doing 5 points
Ma'am,
today.
I have written.
All 5 points.
Yes, ma'am, I have written.
Everyone has written. I think there are children who are still writing. So let's keep it till here. Now tomorrow, what you're going to tell to ma'am that you have done key points till the state Jammu and Kashmir. Okay? Because tomorrow again, Kamini ma'am is going to take up the class. So you're going to continue from thereafter. Children, do you get any break at 9:20?
No, ma'am, we get a 1 hour break from 10 to 11.
1 hour break.
Yes, ma'am. Because there is one free lecture of 40 minutes and 20 minute break.
Okay, so that's just one break that starts at 10 o'clock. There's just one break.
Yes, ma'am.
From 11 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
And ma'am, sometimes the break starts, there is another break from 12:20 to 1.
Yes, 1.
Okay, that's again a free lecture.
Sometime, ma'am, it is a free lecture.
Okay.
Like ma'am, today is free lecture.
Okay. Your break starts at 10:40 till 11 o'clock. That's your break time.
Ma'am, from 10 to 11.
No, beta, I'm talking about if it is not a free period, then for other classes, I think it is 10:40 to 11.
Schools are going to close again.
Huh?
Ma'am, the schools are going to close again.
The schools are going to get closed.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is saying
Yeah.
so?
Ma'am, I want to come to school, but my parents are not allowing.
Yes, beta, the condition is still not
Ma'am, we
stable.
heard-
Every day we get to hear about some cases or the other. That is why parents are also very scared to send children to school. Hmm?
Ma'am, we have heard in the news that the schools are going to be closed.
Okay.
But our UT2s are coming here.
What is coming? UT2. Yes, UT2 is coming.
And they will offline. Ma'am, are there online exams also?